Hi everybody, I'm going to show you today how to make the Mooshroom from Minecraft in my Caketastic Cakes video. And if you like what you see, please like, please subscribe, it helps me out. And this is going to be a flat version for cupcakes, so get ready, get your red out, let's go. Alright, roll it out nice and thin, maybe 1/4 of an inch thick, and I'm using a 2-inch square to make a perfect square. There you go, nice and simple. And I'm going to start by making the eyes first. You take white, roll it out really thin, make a stripe out of it, a rectangle, and you're going to end up cutting squares from it, so just leave it for now. Same idea with the black. The Mooshroom's eyes are part black and part white, so I'm just cutting out 2 little strips of black and white, cut out a square from each one, and put them onto kind of like the upper part of the face, sort of in the middle. The white goes in the center for his eyes, and the black go on the outside, because for some reason they're got a very, I don't know, vacant look in their eyes. And a little bit of water to press it all down and hold it in place. The gray that I'm using here is going to become the Mooshroom's, I guess, snout or muzzle, whatever you want to call that part of the cow's face. I made a rectangle, again, nice and thin, not too big, not too small. And you're going to center it pretty much under the eyes. Give it a little bit of space. You're going to see it right here in a second. A little bit of water. Add it on, press it down. There you go. And when you're doing this, try to make sure your angles and your edges stay nice and square. Minecraft is very squared off, as I'm sure all of you know by now. That thinner little piece right there is going to be the bottom part of his muzzle, or his jaw, I guess it would be. And now I'm just taking the gray that I used before and making a couple little things. I made a letter L basically and just a thin rectangle. Put one in each corner of the Mooshroom's face. You're also going to take white and just add one little rectangle to it. You can see it kind of on his cheek there. That maroon square I put on his forehead is going to be one of the mushrooms that grows out of his head. And you add 3 little white squares to the Mooshroom's mushroom. Okay, yeah, there you go. Put them wherever you think they look good. Just make sure that they don't touch each other. These kind of a, I don't know, burnt sienna type of color, orange, copper. I think it's copper actually. Those are going to become his horns. And as you can see, I put that little piece of gray right in the way, so I moved it over and then stuck the horn in the place. One on each corner. It can overlap the top a little bit. It kind of makes it look a little bit better than that. And then the only thing I'm going to add here is a little bit of black to the nose, 2 little black rectangles that will become the nostrils. So I'm going to take the black, roll it out really thin, roll, 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 see me roll, cut and add. There you go. And he's easy. He's really cool looking though. Those little details really make him stand out. So if you like the video, please like, please subscribe, check out my many other Minecraft videos that I've got going now, and I will see you next time. Thanks.